Investing in gold is one of the wisest choices you can make nowadays. But have you thought, is this the right time to buy? Or should you wait? In today's video, we will examine whether or not now is a good time to invest in a gold IRA. We have seen inflation, overseas conflicts, the pandemic, and many other events affecting the value of money. And during these times, people who have invested in precious metals are some of the least affected. And of those precious metals, gold is the best choice. Full disclosure, this information may not all be accurate, as market and policy changes may happen from the time this video has been published. How gold performed in 2021. As a result of more investors shifting to riskier assets in response to a strengthening global economy, demand for safe haven assets like gold decreased by around 4% in 2021. Indications that central banks may speed up slowing down their huge pandemic-driven money production to kickstart the economy were to blame for it. How will gold perform in 2023? These economic uncertainties are not close to being solved this year, especially with the war in Ukraine. As the conflict goes on, there will be a remaining impact on the commodity market, and Russia will play some cards in dealing with these kinds of sanctions. Besides these technical factors, gold reserves may also fall as inflation can impact the mining, tech, and exploration sectors. So it is quite possible the prices of gold will go up by next year. Is it the best time to invest in gold? The short answer is yes. The ideal time to invest in gold is when a recession hits the market. At the time of this video being made, the United States is in a technical recession. And with inflation being at an all-time high, we're seeing volatility in the market which we haven't seen in a long time. The great thing is that gold's value has remained relatively steadily over time, even during difficult economic conditions, and that makes it a valuable addition to any portfolio. And investing in gold through an IRA is the best way to protect your investments today. If you'd like to learn more, you can get a free gold IRA kit by visiting the website shown in this video or in the description. This kit contains valuable information for starting a new account, adding assets to it, and picking a custodian. Instructions on how to buy gold and other precious metals, store them, and withdraw money from the account could also be included in the kit. If you found our video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.